Everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome guys, welcome. Markets was slightly up, all right, slightly up, so we'll go over that. And dollar index keeps moving lower, all right, so good price action in the dollar pair. So let's go over the markets. Hey TB, welcome, TB, welcome. All right guys, let's get right to it. All right, so Dow was slightly up, guys. You can see right here. Hold on here. Let me get my cursor. Hold on. Hold on here. All right. So Dow was slightly up, guys. Only 10 points up. NASDAQ was up. All right. S&P was up. Russell was slightly down. The VIX came down a bit. All right, VIX is at 15. All right, we still have a buy signal. So the buy signal on the Dow is holding, guys, right at resistance. Okay, so we have one buy signal on the indexes on the Dow. So buy signal here, holding firm. All right, just holding for now. On the S&P, we're still waiting for a buy signal. No, we haven't called a buy on equities yet. Just need more confirmation. Okay. S&P, right? We're right at resistance. Right? To get a buy signal, we need to break through that resistance and keep moving higher. All right. So we'll wait on the S&P. Although buyers are holding, the big institutions, guys, they're not moving the market yet, okay? All right. All right. The NASDAQ holding right at resistance. Resistance is right here, just holding. All right. Good price action, though. Building its cup and handle right here. Nice V. And then the IWM, so small caps, also holding a bit of a pullback, all right, today on the IWM, the Russell. So we are holding right here on the Russell. So we only have one buy signal still on these indexes, okay? The VIX, again, is low at 15. That's good, right? It's under 20. That's good. All of the sectors, guys, all of the sectors here are up. Okay, so that's really, really good. So indexes are up, still waiting for buy signals. VIX is down. That's what we want. All the sectors here are up. All right, we just need the institutions to start buying. We'll know that the institutions are buying through heat seeker, guys. So when we run heat seeker, we run over 22,000 stocks. All right. If they're buying, we'll know through heat seeker. Okay. We are keeping an eye on the dollar index. All right. On big picture dollar index on the weekly time frame, guys. We've got a big support here. All right. Big support. Previous resistance becomes support here, here, and all through here. And we are looking for a move lower on the dollar index. So here we are breaking through support here in the dollar index. Currently, the price on the dollar is 100. All right. If it breaks lower, that will help our dollar pairs move lower. And they are moving lower. All right. We have several trades going in those dollar pairs. On the weekly time frame, if we break through that support here, next support, near-term support would be, might as well bring that in, okay? So we'll be right about, what did we say? I know we have further support all the way down here. Let's bring near-term support right here. That's where the previous buy signal close. So right here, right here, right here. So that's about 94. Okay, so if it breaks through here, here is our first target right here on the dollar index. Pound yen is still holding, guys. Right? We were hoping that today we had a candle here. This candle here is red. It did turn white. We were hoping that it would close white, but it closed red. But it's still holding above the trend line here. What the goal is, we want to see buyers come in and then push that price towards the upper band of the channel up here. That will help the yen pairs. All right, we did send up some alerts on the yen pairs. We'll take a look, see how they did. All right, or how they're holding up. All right, the dollar on the daily time frame and currently in the futures market, the dollar index is down currently. Okay, on the daily time frame, so not on the weekly, on the daily time frame, here is the dollar index here moving lower, currently right here at 100. Support is at 98. All right, so 98 is where we have support right here on the dollar index on the daily time frame. All right. So right now, guys, the big focus is on the dollar. The dollar will move these markets, okay? Not only Forex, but equities also. Forex, Monster Forex Tracker. Keep an eye on this. We are getting a bit of consolidation. Not a major deal right now, but we are getting some consolidation in here on the 60-minute time frame. 60-minute, 240. For right now, the daily seems fine, all right? But a bit of consolidation, not a major concern yet. The big concern is that we do not have any directions, guys, okay? So no direction, all right? So just trade lightly, continue to trade lightly, find your best spots, find your opportunities, okay? Ideally, we want to do long in here. But you guys see here, all right, we have it's up and down. So very mixed. And also here, all right, so yen pairs, Aussie, Kiwi, right, very mixed. We do have buyers coming in here. But again, somewhat mixed, no rotation. We do not have a rotation currently. So just be careful, okay? All right. Let's go through current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. And like I said, we did add some positions. Let's see how they're holding up. And we've been disappointed with the yen pairs. And doesn't look like anything has changed. Okay, so let's go through this. First trade, Pound New Zealand, GBP, NZD. That should be out up there. Pound SGD, that's still holding buy signal right here. Let's draw it out. On a break of resistance right here, still moving higher. Good trade going here. Pound SGD. And here is your markup phase right here. Nothing to do, all green candles here. All right. Swiss yen, buy signal here, failed, guys. So close the trade. All right. So yen pairs are continuing to be very stubborn. Euro yen, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. All right. Pound yen, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. All right, very difficult trading with these yen pairs. We might lay off for a while on these, on yen pairs until the weekly here develops. Okay, so we might wait, guys, on a green candle right here, on a green candle, get more confirmation on pound yen before we go long. Okay. If it decides to go long, if it goes short, if it breaks through there, go short, close red, we might look for short opportunities. But we're going to hold off on these yen pairs, especially on the 60-minute for now. Okay, very choppy. So CAD yen, buy signal here. We were looking for a break, right, of resistance, move higher. It's in a tight consolidation in here. Look here. And it also failed. So that's the second time it's failed. All right. buy signal here, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal. So it's still caught between very tight range. Okay, look here, very tight range, guys. So it's not breaking out. All right, we were hoping that this would break out, but it's not. So CAD yen, close the trade, please. Aussie yen, all right, same thing, guys. All right, buy signal here, closed. We were looking for a break. And again, very tight consolidation. What a disappointment with these yen pairs on the 60-minute. So Aussie yen, close the trade, please. New Zealand yen, all right, same thing. A lot of consolidation, tight range. All right, let's do this. They will break out at some point, but not now. All right, so we had a break of resistance, and guess what? Came right back below. Previous resistance becomes support, right? Sell signal, so close the trade. So New Zealand yen, just horrible trading there. All right, look at that. Very, very, very choppy. Every single one of these buy signals failed, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Buy signal failed. Okay, very, very choppy. Even if you move these guys to a smaller time frame, 30-minute, there's nothing there. So we'll just stay away for now. All right. All right. We do have some shorts, dollar shorts on the 60-minute time frame. Let's take a look. Short. So dollar short on the 60-minute. Let's see how these are holding up. All right, dollar CAD, USD CAD, great short going here, guys. Look at this, really good short, continuing to move lower. All right, first sell short signal over here. So short here, buy to cover. So short here, and it's holding firm right here. Good short going here. Dollar CAD, right? No white candles, no green candles, no sell signal like here. So we'll continue to hold. So dollar CAD, good short going there. USD SEK, that's a new one, right? Previous shorts did okay, choppy in here. Sell short signal here, holding for now. That's a new one we added. USD NOK, so short signal here, had to cover. We called it right in here. All right, so we're looking for a move, called it here, and we're looking to move lower, break support right here. Okay, and that's USD and OK. All right, USD SEK, we call that. All right, USD HUF, very similar to NOK. All right, we got a sell short signal here, and we're looking for another leg lower. All right, right here. Now we are low in the markdown phase, but we are looking. We're looking for the dollar index to move lower. That will help the trade. Okay. All right. So we're looking for a break of support here. Sell short signal here. Need to keep going lower. Support here, here, and here. Dollar Swiss. All right. Good short going here. Previous short did really well. So short here. Good price action. All right. Purple support and resistance right here. So guys, look here, making lower lows here. All right, we need that to break through overnight and continue to move lower. All right, good trade going here. USD CZK. All right, previous trades did really well. Sold here, buy to cover. Sold here, buy to cover. Sold here, buy to cover. We have a sell short signal here, and we are right at that support level here. Okay. Now, I know we're deep in the markdown phase, guys. Normally, that would be a concern, but we're looking for the dollar index to move lower. That's why we've been watching the dollar index. If it continues to move lower, break through that big macro support, guess what? It will help these dollar trades here. So USD CZK, sell short signal here. All right, they're just holding here for now. We don't have any data coming out overnight or tomorrow, so hopefully it breaks through. USD CZK. All right, on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. We've got some trades on the 240 long. Let's go through those. If you have to clean things up, that's clean things up and reposition. Don't take it personal. All right, Aussie dollar, guys. Aussie dollar. Buy signal here. Really good price action. We have resistance here. Sellers are here. We can actually move this a bit higher here. All right, good price action. All right, good markdown phase. Accumulation, buy signal. We are moving higher. We're looking now to break through resistance right here. All green candles, nothing to do. Aussie dollar, good trade going there. Aussie CAD, buy signal here. We're breaking through past resistance here. We have further resistance up here. All right. So we need to let this run. Buy signal here, all green candles, good price action. Okay. New Zealand dollar keeps moving higher. All right. So buy signal here. Look at there. Really good price action. Keeps moving higher. Is Joseph on here? Joseph is new with us. This was his first trade. All right. First trade. Sometimes it's not good when our new traders get into their first trade and it works out, all right, because that's not always the case, all right. So it doesn't work out like this perfectly all the time, but good job. I know he's holding on to the trade. First trade, good job. All right, so buy signal here, all green candles moving higher, next level of resistance. All right, so we don't have any more resistance on the 240, okay, so it certainly could move much higher. Good price action, keeps moving higher. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand Swiss. All right, buy signal, guys. Let's do this. Let's move this here. All right. So buy signal here, it's consolidating right now. Hopefully it joined the other New Zealand pairs like New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar, and keep moving higher. Right now it's consolidating. Not a major concern, okay? Unless you get a red candle, then close the trade. We're looking for it to break through that resistance and move higher. It has been choppy though, okay? So keep an eye on it. New Zealand Swiss. Pound yen, same thing. All right, failing on the 60-minute, but 240 still holding, still consolidating within a tight range. Resistance here, support here, very tight range. I have no idea what these pairs are waiting for. All right, so New Zealand yen, all right, buy signal here, and it is holding right here. All right, so New Zealand yen looks much like pound yen, okay? So we need to get out of this very tight consolidation, okay, and break out. Just remember, right, pound yen here, guys, on the weekly, this is what's causing this, right? See here? See these candles right here? That's the price action for the day. That was it. This is where it closed. So really no volatility absolutely at all. Okay. Here we had volatility, no volatility last week, no volatility this week. Okay. So that's why these pairs are stuck within a tight consolidation. All right. So we'll wait for things to open up on the yen pairs before we add any more trades. Okay, so New Zealand yen, I will just hold it for now. If we get a sell signal, red candle, sell signal, just close it. Okay, shorts in Monster Scalper on the 240. Really good shorts in the dollar pairs on the 240, guys. All right, so the forward time frame, USD PLN. All right, so short signal here, guys. Great short going here. Tons of pips. All right. So white candle here, but followed by red candle. That's a very bearish sign. Okay, so sellers are coming back in. Support is right here. So we need to keep going lower, break through that support. Okay, good trade going here. USD PLN. All right, so if you had losses in the yen, other pairs, hopefully the dollar pairs make up. All right, small losses, big wins is what we want. USD DKK, another great trade going here. All right, so short here. All, look at this, all red candles, guys. Purple support and resistance deep in the markdown phase. That's really nice. All right, USD DKK, sell short signal here, moving down nicely. Lots of pips here. Okay. All right, USD NOK. All right, so short here, buy to cover. All right, so short here, and we were hoping, we talked about this last night, right, that we were hoping that sellers would come on back, right, and they certainly did. Okay, so they came on back, right, and here we are at support. We need to break through that support. We've got a lot of support here, so we need that price action to break through, make another leg down. USD NOK, good short going there. All right, USD SEK, not a good short, guys. So imagine if the dollar index really breaks down, break that big macro support and go lower right here. Imagine, right? Not here, hold on. Where's the dollar right? Imagine it breaks down here. Whew, these pairs will continue to do well, okay? And notice that we're in, right? We've been in for a while. All right, on the 240. USD SEK, sell short signal here, holding firm, breaking support right here, near-term support. USD HUF, sell short signal here. All right, look at that. Good price action. This one also, we were hoping that sellers would come on back in after that white neutral candle, right? Taking a break. All right, sellers came back in, moving lower. Sell short signal here, really good price action. I don't think we have further support. Do we have support? Okay, so we have support here and support here. So we are breaking through. We need to break through, make another leg down. Good shorts. So the dollar short, guys, that's the trade. That's the best trade right now. All right, dollar short. USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. So short here, and it's moving lower. Good price action, all red candles. And let's see here. So we get past this. I wouldn't call this support, call this a low here. All right, support, if we want to call support right here. So definitely moving lower, okay? Good price action and literally a falling knife here, okay? So good price action here. Good short. Dollar Swiss. Hopefully you guys are taking advantage of this dollar short move, okay? USD CNH, so short here, and we need sellers to come on down and break through support. This area of support, right, it's struggling. That's a big deal. So right here, that's where the previous sell short signal right here failed. All right, here we are, sell short signal. The good news is we have sellers, all right, after our white candles here, right? All right, neutral candles, sellers are coming back in, okay? So we need sellers to come on back in, break through that support, make another leg down. It is choppy though. So USD CNH, not as smooth as the other pairs, okay? So just know, right, very, very choppy. This certainly would not be your first trade, okay? All right, so great shorts, lots of pips, and we're looking for, hopefully, we get another move lower in these dollar pairs. You don't have to trade all of them. Just find your spot. All right, too late, guys. Too late on the 240. Okay, so don't chase these. It's too late. All right, Forex dominator on the daily time frame. We have some long positions. Let's take a look. We'll take a quick look at equities. This evening, Euro CAD, guys, buy signal here, and price came right to the moving average. We have white candles here. We need buyers to come on back in. Okay, buy signal here. All right, buyers to come on back in. Euro CAD, New Zealand CAD. All right, buy signal here. We need to break through that resistance. All right, again, these are not your best opportunities, right? All right, so we're trying to get past this range here, okay? Trying to break out here. New Zealand CAD. All right, Euro dollar should be doing well. All right, Euro dollar doing well. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. So as the dollar pairs move lower, guys, Euro dollar, the inverse will move higher. So will pound dollar. Let's see how pound dollar is doing. Beautiful. Pound dollar moving up nicely. Buy signal here. Good price action today in Forex. Dominator, look at that. Broke past resistance here. All right, all those sellers here broke out. Good price action here. New Zealand dollar, same thing here. Buy signal here, and it's moving up nicely here. All right, getting past this downward trend line here. Okay, so not bad. Trading long in Forex dominator. We have dollar shorts. We have about $6 shorts in Forex dominator. Also, let's take a look. All right, USD CZK. All right, sell short signal here, guys. We broke through that first support here. Second target, next target, all the way down here. USD CZK. All right, USD SEK, sell short signal here. We are breaking through support here. Do we have any further support? No. So big support here. Look here. Right here, here, all through here, 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 and here we are breaking through. Okay, so again, dollar index breaks down. These dollar pairs will move lower. If we start to see buyers coming in, right, in the dollar index, which I doubt right now, okay, then we'll have to change these trades. Okay, hey Anthony, welcome. USD yeah, it's doing its own thing. So USD MXN, we'll take a quick look. All right, it's doing its own thing long. Okay, I think it's the only dollar pair, Anthony, that's going long. All right, so it's bucking the overall trend of the dollar. All right, it's not a bad trade, but we'll take a quick look at it in a minute. All right, so USD SEK. All right, short, so we need to break through that. It's breaking through support. It continue, move lower. All right, USD NOK, sell short signal here, right at support. And we'll know perhaps by the end of the week into next week how these dollar pairs, if they will continue or hold at these support levels. USD CAD, all right, good trade here on a break of support. All right, really good. Just amazing, right? So short signal came in right here, guys, at that support. Look at that. Good price action and definitely a falling knife, okay? We just need it to fall some more, all right? The low is right about here. All right. All right, so no real support, all right? So looks like it wants to come right down to that low right here. USD CAD, dollar CAD. USD NOK, right? Good trade here. Sell short here. And guess what? Got past sellers here. And guess what? It's getting past the low here. Next low is down here. Now we want, this is not support, just a low. And sometimes these traders will take it. Definitely they'll take that price action to support, and sometimes they'll take it to the low too, okay? So good trade going here. Lots of pips here. All right, USD DKK and USD PLN, all right? Tight range and finally broke out and holding all red candles, nothing to do. Let it run, okay? So I know it's disappointing with these yen pairs. I know it's frustrating, but there are better trades with these dollar shorts, okay? So all right, stock boss. We're still waiting, guys, on equities, okay? No rush. IAG, that's holding firm here in stock boss, small caps. All right, AQST, buy signal here. Good price action today. All right, look at that. All right, target is here. So buy signal was at 323, 324. Target is at 572. Let's see if we can make it up here, okay? All right, AVXL, keep an eye on it. All right, doing well, but we got a white candle here. All right, we need buyers to come in tomorrow, green candles, and follow through. APPS, all right. All right, a bit of a pullback, purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. But it's all green candles, so not a major concern there. HCA, healthcare, looks good. Look at that. All right, buy signal here. Good price action, guys. No support and resistance. So, all right, it could move higher. No resistance above. THC, another healthcare. Buy signal here. Reaccumulation, guys. So this is reaccumulation. Great trading too. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. All right, THC, healthcare. And in HCH, also great trading. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. Good price action. Okay. That's Bullmaster. No, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. All right. ADMA, buy signal here. That's holding purple support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. Carver. Let's see how Carver did. A bit of a retracement. All right. Just a pullback in Carver, but still holding at 118. Buy signal came in at 98. All right. Coke. Let's see how Coke is doing. Coke buy signal, guys, came in right here. It's a bit of, it's expensive, $920. $920, guys, for a stock. Crazy, right? Trading today closed, all right, at 1334. Keeps moving higher. Let's see where the target is. Let's see. We don't have resistance on the daily. Let's take a quick look. I don't think we've looked at the weekly on Coke. Weekly, no support, guys. Look at this stock move. No resistance above on the weekly. On the monthly here. This is one for Joe to do his sell puts. All right, look at this. Monthly, guys, every single month. Look at that. Keeps moving higher. Very strong stock. All right. So from, what's this here? 2021 was at 263, 260. Not that we would stay in this stock that long, but what a nice move. Nice move. All right. If you guys wanted to trade this, now we're trading it here on the daily time frame, right? Too late to get in. That buy signal came in all the way down here. But boy, if you wanted to get a trade, right? The 60-minute just closed today. And that trade started end of July. Let's take a look at the 30-minute because it is very strong. That 30-minute, if you wanted to catch a trade, right, you could hold that 30-minute and then just wait, all right, for a buy signal. I wouldn't go lower than a 30-minute time frame. All right, so Coke looks good. HWKN, buy signal here, right? I never thought that this trade would do this well. All right, this was the channel here, channel trade, broke out, consolidated for a while here. We never got sell signals and just held on, and look at that, turning out to be a really good trade there. NTRA, all right, that's holding above resistance. PLTR, that's that AI stock, NVIDIA, right? It goes along with NVIDIA. It's pulling back here, purple support and resistance. We really needed to hold above resistance here, okay? So no major concern yet. We don't have any white candles, no red candles, no sell signals, but we needed to hold, all right? SN is holding, buy signal here, holding. We need a break and move higher, okay? All right, so we are light, guys. We're very light on equities, and you guys know why. And Anthony, I haven't forgotten about USD MXN. We'll check it in a minute. Stock boss, just want to run it, see what's coming up in Heat Seeker. All right, 37 guys, stocks in Heat Seeker out of 22,000 that we check. So they're not buying. Isn't that something? They are not buying. Bullmaster, let's run it. 69. Just remember, we normally see more in Bullmaster than Stock Boss. That's tech. Let's see, healthcare. We don't have anything in healthcare. About 10, 12 in healthcare. All right, we'll wait. Bullmaster Pro, let's see. Bullmaster Pro has been doing well. That's Carver right here. This is SN. We're looking for a new buy signal. These are new highs. Okay, nothing here. All right. All right, we'll add this one in Bullmaster Pro, guys. All right, buy signal came in at 57. It's at 63. That's gone. It looks good though. That's the daily. Look at the weekly here. We've got a buy signal. Now, all right, look at this on the weekly. I think we've missed it on the daily. On the monthly, very strong stock. Look at that. On the daily buys, on the monthly buy signal came in on the month here. Let's take a second look at the daily. So buy signal came in here. So that's what? How many points? That's 6 points. Ideally, guys, we want to get that buy signal. We got that buy signal right here. That's our entry. You know, at worst case, somewhere in here, but it's gone up too far. If you get it here, it pulls back. No, but strong, very strong. All right, there'll be more opportunities. Okay, all right. US 30 or US 30 traders, you guys know we are waiting for a buy signal. Okay, we are waiting on the buy signal. We do have a buy signal on the Dow. All right, so be patient. Okay, all right. If it breaks through that resistance here, we'll get a buy signal. But notice, guys, right? The previous buy signal, right? Bought here, sold here, got out here. It's consolidating. Wait for that buy signal. Okay, it can consolidate for a while. So just be patient. Don't get in on a smaller time frame. Okay, there's nothing here. We have to wait. All right, for buyers to come in, break through that resistance, and give us a buy signal, okay, on the US 30. But we are waiting, patiently waiting. On the daily, it looks good. We do have purpose support and resistance here, but good price action on the daily. All right, nicely done in the markup phase, and it's trading fairly well, right? Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. We didn't take this one. Bought here, sold here. So we're just waiting. The NAS 100, nothing. All right, so just wait. SP, right? Just wait. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Monster scalper. So Anthony, are you in it? Are you in it long? USD on the 60 USD MXN. You're a brave man. It's the only one that's going long out of all of these. Let's see if any. I think it's the only one. Okay, so USD HKD is trying to make a move, but what a beautiful trade, long. So if you caught it, good job. All right, so 60-minute time frame, buy signal here. That looks good. Okay. On the 240, buyers are definitely on the 240. All right, look at your V here. A really good V. All right, so even the 240 looks good. And like I said, it's doing its own thing. Okay, so there must be some fundamentals, right, with the Mexican peso, okay, that's allowing this because it's not going with the other pairs. All right, so 60 looks good, 240 looks good, even the daily looks good here. All right, buy signal here on the daily, and we do have, so just be aware, not a major concern. All right, we do have resistance here, and we are getting towards the top here of the chart. Okay, Anthony. And we have purpose support, so you might get a bit of resistance up here. Okay, you're in it. Good job. All right, so on the daily, let's try the weekly. All right, on the weekly, look at the weekly. All right, so you do have resistance here, lots of resistance here. Let's move that up right here. See here, all here. And here we are right here on the weekly, but good price action on the weekly here. All right, look at that, big candles. All right, but this is a concern. Monthly. All right, monthly, right here, yeah, this whole area here, what's that? 20.80. All right, big candle, but you might break through. What I would do, Anthony, so on the, let's bring this back to the daily here. So what you could do, write it. All right, write it here on the 60 and look for opportunities. If it holds, you'll get sell signals on that 60-minute. All right, it won't hold it long. So you get a sell signal to get out like here. Just wait. Okay, just continue to wait. It looks like there's a bigger move setting up on this pair. Okay, now the thing is, it's doing its own thing, so you can't look for direction help with the other pair. So you have to trade it by itself. Okay, but right, let's say you're in this one here. Did you take this one, Anthony? Did you take this long here, or is this your first long? All right, if you did, good job, but stay with it. So if when this one closes, just keep it on your radar. You get another buy signal, just keep trading it, because on your weekly and on your monthly time frames, there's a bigger move happening there. Okay, but good job. Where to find that's really good trading, right? So where to find your spot. Okay, find your spot. All right, good job. Bitcoin, guys, there's absolutely, you took the first one. Good job, Anthony. I'm so proud of you, bud. So good job. So you got this one here, and now you're getting this one. So you might have some opportunities to keep trading that. Again, here is the daily here. Here is the weekly. Buyers are definitely in this. Look at that. And then here is the monthly. All right. So yeah, you can keep trading it and then take that capital and then just reinvest it, right? Build those positions. Okay. All right. Good job. Bitcoin. Absolutely nothing, guys. I don't know what Bitcoin traders are doing, what crypto traders are doing, because boy, if you're trading just cryptocurrencies, there hasn't been anything to do. Since when? Since what's this here? March. All right. I mean, look at here. Even day trading would have been difficult. Absolutely nothing to do since March. All right. So right here to here, absolutely nothing. So leave this alone, guys. And now it's at 59. Remember, we talked about 64,000 needs to stay above 64. Absolutely nothing here. Okay. All right, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. The dollar index right here, we are hoping that it moves lower. Okay, we're hoping that it breaks through that big support and move lower. Anthony, I don't think, based on the price action, I don't think that will interfere with your trade at all. All right. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right, guys, take care. I will see you.